Muscovy ducks, Functional Rustic. This is a perfect example of how Muscovy ducks communicate with each other. If you notice, they're not quacking because Muscovy ducks communicate by making these breathing noises and wiggling their butt. So what we see here is the guy in the back is over a year old, and the one in the front is technically still a duckling. He is not done growing yet. I don't have a name for him though. This two-tone one is a girl. Top middle, the grayish one's a girl, and then there's one on the far right is Prodigy, and Valencia Merble the dog. Such a neat noise. What are we talking about, guys? I don't know if you can hear it, but there's like a soft cooing noise, and it's coming from this two-tone hen over here. And the red things on their face are called caruncles. I just think that's a fun word, caruncle. See more of the Muscovy ducks and everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer at functionalrustic.com.